Here we are. I just pushed through the most brutal terrain I have ever done. Anyways, I'm in the shade now. It's in the 90s today. I gotta drop my gear here. I'm soaked in sweat. I want to be under the pines. So, need to get some water in me. Get set up. Gotta find a good spot to put the hammock. Found some good trees. Let's get this set up. We might have to adjust this, but I just want to get it up, see how much room we've got. This might look a little low here, but we're going downhill. My other tie-off is level. I'm gonna just do my quick release here. And we're good to go. Wow, it feels good to be settled in. Took longer than I wanted to, running around, looking for a spot, back and forth. But where I first dropped my bag, I moved down, I don't know, quite a ways. 30 paces, something like that. I'm going to start cleaning out this area over here to my left. Make sure there's nothing on above that can catch on fire, which you've got to be very careful when you're camping around pine. Looking for about 6 feet. Did not get my belt knife on yet. I'm sure many of you know what type of knife I use. Let me get all strapped in here and I'll show you. Get that adjusted anyways. Carry the Morgarberg. Look at that. Look how that saw just shreds. Got to be really careful with our fire. Piece of fat wood I gathered from 2 or 3 trips ago. So we'll use that, even though we have lots of pine out here. As an addition, I found a piece of bark here and a bunch of twigs. Just want to see how it splits, because we'll need smaller pieces to put on those twigs and smaller sticks. So this is just for hardwood, smaller pieces of hardwood. We need some of this fat wood. You get finer shavings with a 90-degree bevel. Me, I often cheat and I just use the blade. You'll find a little groove as you get into it, where it's not that bad, where you're basically just rocking your hand. Again, using the 90-degree bevel on the back end of my knife. I'm going to switch to the blade of my knife to get some bigger chunks to hold the flame. That's great. I use soy sauce, Worcestershire, steak seasoning, and ground pepper, and marinated that overnight and thawed it out today. This time of night is very beautiful, the very beginning. Good times. Looks pretty good, huh? Honestly, I could have eaten just half of that. I'm already full. Just loving the sound of nature right now. I threw another log on, so it just flamed up, but it was coals. So I'll take advantage of that and burn off the grill and have a cup of coffee. Definitely boiling. All right. Love my coffee, especially in the woods. I don't know if you can see, I've got this big, huge chunk. This one. Another one, and this one here. So that's good. That's good for the night. Anyways, I'm just gonna call it a night here. I might throw another log on or keep you updated if something interesting happens. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm gonna sit up for a bit, finish my coffee, listen to nature, and fall asleep. Catch you in the morning. Well, good night again. Had to get my hoodie. Catch you in the morning. Hey, good morning everybody. Slept extremely well. I woke up at 8 o'clock. Felt lazy, felt a little bit chilly, so I slept in. I'd say maybe 10 o'clock. I did take a leak and noticed that my urine is extremely yellow, so I've got to drink a lot of water before I start doing anything today. Doesn't look like our coals stayed alive. I was hoping to keep them alive overnight. I was feeding the fire overnight with small logs. Pretty much burn up all my small stuff. Trying this hydration multiplier here. I am feeling rather dehydrated. I don't like to go overboard with it. I like to save it in case I might need it at a later point. But yeah, I like that idea. I mean, makes your water stretch, right? Kind of like a clear white foamy fluid. It almost tastes sugary, but if it's gonna do the job, give it a shot. It's the farthest I've pushed in a long time. The next video, I'm going even further. Going higher up on this mountain. See what else we can get to. I don't know if you can see him through the trees or not. There we go. Pretty awesome, guys. You can still see him out and about a little bit, but I'll leave him alone. It's cool I got some on film. I wasn't expecting that. Another thing I wasn't expecting today was thunder. We've been getting some thunder. The sky is starting to turn gray. If it starts raining, I'll ram my gear into the bag and I'll have a nice walk back. And I really did walk far and pushed out here and pushed through the bush. Took a trail system in, followed as far as I could, and I just thought, all right, push in. And I pushed in for a good, I'd say 20 minutes at least. But great trip. I keep turning the camera on and then it stops. There we go. Okay. Been steeping for a little bit. I couldn't resist. Just had to grab some twigs and get a little twig fire going. Ignite some of those coals down there. That's it right there. Kicking back here, Glad I started the fire. The smoke's keeping the mosquitoes away, so really helps. Got more water to put on too. Starting to storm, a little bit of rain, heavy wind, so I got to get a move on. Thanks for watching the video. It's really coming down now. I'm gonna focus on getting packed and get out of here. Totally soaked on that one, guys. Anyways, please subscribe. Please leave a comment and like. See you next time.